Hello, it's me, your Martin from Vigor. Today I've brought along one of my absolute favorite tools for you, the V5168. This is a very special tool, specifically designed for pressing out drive shafts directly on the vehicle. Here, we conveniently have an option for both 4-bolt and 5-bolt configurations. The whole thing is equipped with a hydraulic pull cylinder that delivers 22 tons of pressure. Of course, you already know that. The whole thing is inserted up here, and we can apply the full 22 tons of pressure to the drive shaft. As you often see in the workshop, these parts are often stuck together, rusted tight, or even glued in place. If we need even more force, we can insert the impact bolt at the back and triple the force again. Here in the workshop, we've managed to get every drive shaft out of the car with this tool. Let's take a look at how it performs in practice. We're working on a classic front-wheel drive vehicle. The drive shaft is bolted in place here. I've already removed the bolt. As mentioned before, the shafts are sometimes extremely stuck, rusted tight, or glued in place. Here we have a 5-hole mounting. That's why we're using the corresponding tool. We also have tools for 5-hole and 4-hole patterns. We securely fasten everything to the central hub using the vehicle's very own wheel bolts. Everything is tightened by hand. Next, we carefully insert the hydraulic cylinder. We turn it to apply tension, preload. Now is the moment when we could apply the hydraulics here. Back here, we can easily screw on our impact head securely. So that if the hydraulics alone aren't enough, we can also use the hammer at full load from the back. As mentioned, the force is applied very locally to the shaft. Don't use the foot pump here either. Now, we can clearly and distinctly observe precisely how the entire drive shaft can be gently pushed completely out of its protective housing without incurring any damage whatsoever. We don't need the hammer here. The shaft is now completely out. We can then proceed to remove the tool and finish our current job here at this point.